body. Feel the flow, my machines flashing, the green lights to go. Beatbox, drummer, and a microphone, that's all we need to make the show flow. So rock your body. Feel the flow, my machines flashing, the green lights to go. Beatbox, drummer, and a microphone, that's all we need to make the show flow. So rock
Train whistle, motherfucker! Do it.
Beatbox, drummer, and a microphone, that's all we need to make the show flow. So rock your body. Feel the flow, my machines flashing.
Do it again, do it again.
Beatbox, drummer, and a microphone, that's all we need to make the show flow.
He needs to stop. What is it? Not sure. Train whistle. Or of it. It's not the train whistle. Oh, that Mustang's revving at us.
You know, I got too much left to light this one up too.
Yeah.
That's good shit. Alright, cut that shit off.
New message, Saturday, 10:11 p.m. Hey, just wondering when you're coming home because you have to unplug those lights and stuff. I found my keys out in the front yard and I moved my own van and locked it, but hopefully you're not screwing around and getting a ticket. Okay, bye.
We need to make the show flow.